Hey guys, this is Matt from Atlas Precision Consulting. In this quick video, I'm going to show you guys how to add an About widget to your home portal. To start off with, you're going to hit the Add Widget button. We're going to look for the About Widget section. We're going to hit the plus symbol and add it on there. And as you can see, it's going to put an About on there that's going to have username, middleware, client version, your SQL Server database, name. These things are helpful when you're working with Epicor or when you're working with Atlas or really any other third-party company that is helping you with your P21. Just like any other widget, you can drag it and drop it and put it somewhere else on your screen. It's just good information to have when you're setting up a call with somebody like us or Epicor or anybody else. Maybe not for everybody. And obviously, if you decide you don't want it, you can hit the trash can and get rid of it. That's it on this video, guys. Please make sure you subscribe. If you have any other questions or suggestions on videos, please put them in the comments below. As always, keep watching, guys. Thanks.